Thank you, Mitch. The wind finally eases this evening after a cold front moved through. We've had gusts of 91 k's an hour recorded at Point Cook and over 80 on the bay. Those northerly gales meant that it couldn't drop below 15 degrees all night. The August average is 6.5. Then we reached 18 at lunch with menacing clouds that had more bark than bite. This image says it all, though. The vertical lines running here in the cloud. Rain is falling, but it dries up before it reaches the ground, known as virga. This occurs when our rain comes down from the northwest, putting Melbourne on the dry side of the ranges, so the rain breaks up here. But there's a risk that it won't dry up, so rain goes on the forecast. And it was right for the last hurrah. This one here from the rain band, absolutely pouring in Mornington and continuing to push north and east now. It reached 22 for the second day running in Avalon, but the wind takes the warmth out of that. At times it feels like single digits. It's actually warmer in the water, 11 degrees. The rainbows are also a sign of that virga. There's rain suspended in the air, and it's highlighted by the light. Here's the big band of rain crossing Victoria, drying up as it heads into the south. A few millimetres in the southwest, up to 10 on the northern slopes, less further north. Yesterday's 24 was exceptional in Orbost. Today they reached a 25. Watch the weather system's path. The low that is driving it is here, sliding southwards, so the entire system is weakening as it progresses eastwards. This weekend we'll have a high centred over the Bight, and that puts us on the cold side of the high. It'll warm up again when that moves eastward next week. The rain band will continue spreading through eastern Victoria tonight, contracting eastwards as the front moves through. The cold air arrives at the end of that band, so there's only a light bit of snow for the Alps tomorrow morning. Around the nation tomorrow, showers spread through Canberra, then Sydney in the afternoon and evening. Perth starts to thaw out on the warm side of the high. To Victoria, by dawn, the rain is clearing the far east. There's a fair bit of cloud to follow across the south and far northwest, but only the odd shower doesn't add up to much. Cool to cold. Winds are southwesterly. We haven't seen that for a while. Closer in, we're left with mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. Cloud for much of it, occasional sunny breaks. In the east, there may be the odd shower, not adding up to much. We'll notice the chill, 20 yesterday, just 14 tomorrow. Now, instead of a windy chill, it's just cold air and a fairly light breeze. We are mostly cloudy. To the 8-day outlook, we repeat on Sunday, mostly cloudy, another top of 14. On Monday and Tuesday, 15, sunshine slowly returning. The next warm one is midweek, 18 on Wednesday, sunny all day. The wind picks up again, then showers come through on Thursday. Mostly cloudy tomorrow. There's the odd shower in eastern suburbs, but it's just 14, and that is 1 degree less than average. Mitch?
I was waiting for winter to come back.
Indeed.
Thank you, Jane.